When I first started making music, I'm rapping, bro. Like, in my head, I'm like, every time I try to make a Jamaican song, never that connect.
You dropped the lyric video for Kickers and Creps.
Yeah. I'm really gonna push that song, bro. That song is special to me, bro. Exclusive, we gotta talk. You see me? Jalen nobody's not tolerate nothing in fuck. People always try to bring up ish, and I'm the type of nigga, I'm like, bro, I'm so past that ish, bro. Like, yo, for telling the honest truth, man, I'm not the type of company internet and bash or nothing, but I feel like the internet we get here, bro, it's pressure, bro.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Muscle, and this is another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast, The Pull-Up. And today we have a special guest in the building. Listen, we're just talking off there, and he was telling me this is his first podcast/interview, even though he's used to being in front of the camera. If you know, you know, we're going to get into it right now. You know, we have in the building today, we have Jetti in the building today. What's going on, big boss?
My day, bro, I enjoy the cold. You know, yeah, I'm running from the cold at New York and then Canada fighting with the cold again, but you know, but yeah.
It's part of the deal, boss.
Yeah, enjoy myself for the life I'm sign up for, so
yeah.
The new life, you know.
Yeah.
Get accustomed to it, nothing too crazy.
First time here?
Yeah, first time, first ever.
How you enjoying the city?
It's cool. Some parts remind me of New York.
Yeah.
Like I went downtown yesterday and I felt like I was in Manhattan, so
Yeah.
I'm well pretty, bro. Nothing really not that different from New York, so regular.
Were you excited to come? Because, you know, us right now, everybody's talking about Toronto.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A long time free to Toronto still, you know.
Yeah.
I got hella friends out here, so a long time I tell the dog them say, oh, man, I fought.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just a reach.
Yeah.
So I'm say, and then I'm there for a short time, just a weekend, but
Yeah.
we're supposed to come back either New Year's or later on January, so
Yeah.
I'll deal with it again for sure.
So you're working.
Yeah, just at work right now, just at work.
Yeah.
Then we're going to enjoy ourselves later on next year, you know.
See, the thing with it, a lot of people see you in front of the camera, they see you vlogging and stuff, but there's still a lot of aspects of who you are is really kind of missing. So tonight we're going to try to fill in those blanks and send it out there. You understand what I'm saying?
Hell yeah, because, bro, with vlogs, bro,
Yeah.
me record an hour worth of footage. I'm post at 20-25 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
And me, I narrate my story. You know, more while the internet, we pressure you, bro.
Yeah.
No, I mean, I don't want one thing. Okay, you know, okay. Yeah, look out, touch a look out. You know,
But
crazy.
you're in control of the situation, as you said. You might film for like 2 hours, and then it comes down to 10 minutes. So you still have those other.
Yeah. I have to take control, bro. I have to take control, cause the internet we get here, bro. It pressure, bro. Yeah, man. Have people. Oh, why you not this? Why you not vlog? Ray. And it's like when I work, it's like, but you have, you know, you have to do work for you still. You know what I mean?
You understand what part of Jamaica are you from?
I'm born at Waterhouse, that's at Kingston.
You're Waterhouse.
Yeah, I'm born at Waterhouse, and then I left Waterhouse probably when I around 5, 6. I'm go Portmore, and then me that go school close by Waterhouse. I'm there at Waterhouse every day.
Yeah.
I go to my granny at Waterhouse, and then my father pick me up and I go Portmore. Yeah, so yeah.
What were you like growing up in Waterhouse back then?
Growing up, for tell you the truth, still, you know, bro.
Yeah.
I did get trouble.
Yeah.
But
I could see that.
But the book smart still.
Okay.
Yeah. So me had the youth, me do my work, and then I just idle after.
Mm-hmm.
I'm used to tell my friend them, say, yo, don't follow me and get trouble in that, because my grades them up there right now. You see me? Because my father not play that thing, bro. My father did rough in that.
Yeah.
Yeah, my father rough, man. I was street smart, I have book smart, I have everything. So when me that grew up, I just go school. I used to swim professionally as a kid.
Swimming?
Yeah, so I used to swim, so I have swimming practice, then we used to do tracks. So just school, you feel me? Sports.
Yeah.
Nothing crazy. And then as I get old, I'm start get local trouble.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Were you the class clown at that time there growing
That them
growing
say,
up?
you know.
Yeah, I could see that.
That them say. Me never really think with it funny, you know, but you know, if I get like, you know, I mean, especially with that prep school, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, bro. Them days really nice, bro. Legit. Yeah. But yeah, it was cool though.
For real.
Cool.
What school did you go to?
I go 1 year prep, and then I go 1 year at Ulmas. Yeah, me that left Jamaica after my 6th grade year, and then when I get my GSAT results, them say Ulmas, I'm say, yo, mommy, me have to hold off for next year, you know. But when I go Ulmas, I joke out Ulmas. I take Ulmas serious the first half, and then when my mother booked the flight and say, yo, after this done, yeah, I lift up. So like my end of year exam, me are the only one in the class, just so I watch my dog, them I bust them skull one at a time.
Yeah.
I was say, yeah, man, I'm not there, so
Yeah.
lift up. Yeah. So after that, then I just moved to New York. Did this, so.
Wilmers, did you go to school with anybody that we would know right now where you say, okay, this is who I went to class with?
Funny enough, I go to school with Skeng. Me and Skeng are the same year.
Yeah.
Yeah, me and Skeng are the same year. Me and Zidii go to school, but I was a year ahead of Zidii. So my left was Zidii just ago, Wilmers. But yeah, me and Skeng did not the same class.
Did you link with Skeng or you just knew that he went to the school
you know,
same time?
Skeng, I one of them youth, they when they at school, Skeng did shot, bro. I one of the youth them is shot too. Skeng did just active, bro, vibey, bro. So I say, youth they're cool. So when I think I there at Atlanta, my first year was Skeng, I'm say, well, wait, that youth look familiar. And then I say, Zidii.
Yeah.
That's Skeng this, so dog say, yeah, dog. I say, Bumbo Claw. Skeng I do him things still.
But that's how you know anything is possible. Because, again, remember, you've seen him in school growing up. He wasn't probably really into music then. But to see, you didn't see him for this long period of time. And to see
me see Skeng when me I like switch class or they outside and I look at tree or canteen or whatever. But yeah, I eat that. After school and everybody I left, I walk a gully.
Yeah, for sure. You said you moved to New York. So moving to New York, yo. Yeah. What was that like for you, moving to New York?
It hard, bro. It hard. School-wise, it did easy.
Okay.
Because you were always but in 8th grade, and the things I'm teaching, I learned from there at 4th grade at Jamaica. That the school, it easy. Like, one time, I like my maths teacher teach class. Like, I do that all the way till I'm in like 11th grade or 4th. I help my teacher them teach class, bro. But as far as friends, bro, I don't keep it in the head yet, brother. Every day, oh, you said this, Like, it was annoying, bro. And it's like my accent is strong on my forward. So it's like more, I never used to like that because every time I talk, you see I one man I laugh. And it's like, that pussy I laugh off a man for that. I'm to that youth that. But, you know, and then like when I go to high school or foreign, they'd have cousins who go to the same school. So whenever I'd have to really go to school and say, yo, I don't know nobody here, because I'm a big cousin them there, so nobody never bother me. None of that. And then I start play ball. And then I start, everybody, just socialize and ready. So, yeah.
That's where everything. And what part of New York did you get to?
On my first lift up, I stayed with my mother in the Bronx. I'm there with my mother for a little bit, and then I go with my auntie and my brother at Brooklyn. So I'm there at Brooklyn, especially when I start college, because I'm going to college for a semester.
Okay.
Yeah. And then college was net, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think me that go to college for free, and then my mother get a mail one day, say, who are you? And I say, John, you know, say, I eat that. And me that go to college for media, bro.
For media?
I go to college for media, so I say, I ain't really need it. So I'm like, yeah.
When did you really pick up content creation? Because to me, you are like, you're an artist, yes. You're singing stuff. But you're like a true content creator where now, yes, you do vlogs, you do everything else, plus you sing. You have so many different things that falls under the umbrella of content.
Content, yeah.
You understand? When did you get involved with content? Or where did you see it and something interested you in getting involved?
So when I first start, I'm going to tell you a fun story. I'm going to try to get in a program when I in high school, my 11th grade year. This photography, because I want to do photography. Because I used to draw and things, so I'm saying I want to take picture. Yeah. And I make it past the first round of interview and the final interview, you know, I never get selected. When I get picked, when I get a free camera and everything, I never get picked. I'm kind of take that one personal at that time. So then I finally get my camera, I take picture. I did have a little group in high school. Me and 2 other girls would take picture, right? And then we started this little team. I shoot interview for people, right. So I was always behind the scenes. And then I did have a girl in high school, probably more high school, for like 3-4 years. Yeah. And then when me and I did that deal, when I we go buy pizza, I think I'm just start record myself with the camera. And then I went home, and I edit it, I'm say, this body now, I'm tell her, I say, I'm already. But no, never go on for that them time there. Yeah. But I did still let it post, but YouTube did hard for start, bro, hard. And then I jump on TikTok, I'm a post a skate with my G, it go viral, but everything I post after that, no, bro. For like months, I'm saying, man, I me that, bro, that for the youth, them a dance and them thing there. Yeah. And then I remember one day, I posted a video, it was like reasons why people don't think I'm Jamaican. And I listed like 4 or 5 reasons. That go viral. And then our mom's comment and say, yo, I hear your accent. And then I never know what to say. And I think my brother had to hear me. I'm saying, I'm to that pussy, dog, and shit, tell it. I'm to that, I vibe, man, bro. Is it me? And then I just post the clip, bro. Shit had like 100K in like 2 hours. I'm gonna say, boom, boom, claw. And then I think I went from like 15K to 100K in like 3 days.
Well, this is TikTok or YouTube?
TikTok.
TikTok.
Yeah, I was off YouTube for a little bit, but my subscribers was going up. At the time, I had like 15K. And then remember, down the line, look on my YouTube, I'm like, I got 40K and I'm not posting. I just gained, another 25,000 subscribers and I'm not doing shit with it. And then down the line, I got another relationship. I'm like, yo, I'm thinking a bag right now, bro. And then that.
Okay, that was what kicked off. So it was basically for you, it was relationship vlogs that really kicked off for you.
Nah, I wouldn't say that. It was TikTok. It was just straight content because I used to do I was doing solely like Caribbean based, like, reasons why Jamaica come out of this, like, I'm gonna low down vulgar, brother. Like, I'm used to just cuss about it every day. And people, like, my auntie used to say, oh, you cuss so much. See, I'll go and everybody, like, them people don't want to understand me, bro. Them just want you to cuss about it more while.
Yeah.
So it's like, even though I never want to cuss nobody, you have to go all about my buckle out and suck your mother one at the time because that's just what they wanted to hear. Someone say, yo, it at work, you know. And then I had like 400K. So when I got with the shorty I was in the live, you feel me? I was like, fuck it, bro. You feel me?
Because so then it was almost like for you, it was two different things were happening in TikTok world and then on YouTube world. It was two completely
at the
different
time,
things.
YouTube didn't kick off until, like, I was posting little vlogs and it was picking up. But when I popped out with the relationship on YouTube, I was like, fuck it, bro.
Yeah.
At the time, I was broke, bro. Like, I wasn't making no money like that on TikTok. The only time I make bread on TikTok is from promos. I remember I got my first 1 million views on TikTok. I'm like, yeah, I got some money. That shit said $56, bro. That was not it, bro. Like, niggas be thinking like, yo, you got a hella followers. Nah, bro, you got to go out there and...
You gotta hustle it. Having the followers are one thing and having the subs are one thing, but you gotta get into brand deals. You gotta get in certain things.
Bro, I was known for like 2 years before I really started making money, bro. Like when I was coming up on TikTok, we went into COVID. So I was working at Shake Shack at the time. And they took off hella people off the schedule. And then they added me back one at a time. Like I was working 4 days a week and I was on unemployment. They was giving an extra 600. So every week, I'm going to them say, if I work 40, I can't get it.
Yeah. So
I'm going to call out one or 2 days every week. Yeah, man.
You got to hustle, bro.
What, bro?
Yeah.
So I'm going to start save them check this. So by the time I reach the end of, 2020, them down there, I was up on a little bit of cheese. So I'm like, yo, man, I started living my this life. So when I tell them, I say, yeah, man, I'm done in the Shake Shack. They didn't want to let me go because I was a good worker. So more while me have all 12 in the afternoon to like a 8 shift. Me I go work at 5 o'clock. Cause I'm never want to work.
Yeah.
And if I quit, I can't get the free money.
So you're trying to make them get rid of you.
Yeah.
You know
Cause I know I'm done with it right there, so. And then I end up go back too. A year later, right before I move to Atlanta, I go down never get food. I'm say, hold on, my dog, them and the dog. I say, yo, dog, far. And then my GM at the time, I say, yeah, man, they can't come and work in the schedule they work, you know. I go back for a month, man, work 2 days a week. Just cause, I even need the money. I just say, yo, man, my dog, them they are.
Yeah.
And then I just move to Atlanta after that. So, yeah,
from there. So when you moved to Atlanta, that's when your vlogs really took off, or was it in New York or where they started taking off?
They took it before that.
In New York?
Yeah, because when I went back to Shake Shack, like, I had to wear my mask, we up here, so, yeah, like, it was bad, bro. Like, my day at work, I take pictures of people, bro.
That's how wild it started.
Yeah, bro, like, my day at work, I take pictures of people, bro. Like, every day, bro, like, to the point where one at a time, like, I eat a dip on the grill, I'm there and me wash out some plate one at a time. Because, like, if they anywhere in the front, bro, yeah, I have some girl come in and say, I said that boy, she still want that picture still in a VRH. I said, you move like him a star and him still there, so. Yeah. But then, yeah, they cool, though.
Just a vibe there.
Yeah, bro.
So even with thing there, because I know when it comes to social media side there, dancing, you're a good talker, you got some crazy stuff to say, and relationships work like crazy on social media. You understand?
I tell them, I don't know more public relationship.
But then hold on, we're gonna get there because you even think there, you now know, okay, you post your first relationship vlog and it worked. Were you apprehensive of doing any more, or you seen it working, so you're just concerned with it's working, we'll figure it out as we go along?
Yo, for telling the honest truth, it was one of them things that where I never know how them did I go perceive it, you know what I'm saying? I never know the reaction me that I get from it. Like, brother, I'm telling you what I'm going. So I'm going to go live one day, New Year's, I think at 2020, I'm going to go live. And she came in the frame or whatever, and my live went from like 70 to like 1,000 people, bro. Everybody has shared. And I was like, all right, everybody know me in a relationship now. And then I make a channel probably 2 days later and have like 10,000 subscribers like in a day and some couple hours, bro. So I say, well, right, tell me I chop and chop smart, you know. So I'm just say, yo, fuck it.
Yeah.
And it would have nothing like would have work regardless of it would have like the way it would have played out. Would have work.
Yeah. What was probably the biggest vlog that you guys did together back then? Because I know you guys did challenges, you did pranks, you did all type of stuff, but what was one that really, this was the big one here?
She did, it was like a hickey prank or something like that. Let me tell you what going on. So we posted a video, I had like 30K the first day. And then I post a clip on my TikTok. I got like 1 million in a day. 1 million views. So that video shot from like 30K to like 100 or something, and it just kept going on. And then after that, like I think gained probably like 40K subs off that one video. And then, yeah, from there, it was like, all right, fuck it. We about to take this shit serious and post.
Yeah.
And it was cool.
What was it like now having to do these relationship vlogs, but you're probably fighting right before the camera turns on. What was that like now having to smile for the camera, but deal with relationship in real life off the camera?
I'm gonna tell you from now. I don't want nobody feel like, at the end of the day, bro, I do my job. I have to speak about shit. Like, I always try to avoid it. Exclusive, we talk. You see me? Bro, it was a point in time where before we move, right? Where that we could have Bex. One while to get the mom's even on deal with my bro. She had left me, but it was an on and off thing like from early, bro. But even if we're Bex, I'm gonna say, yo, we have a film. I'll pull up, we'll film. Shorty put on a smile, woo. After that, I got in my yard more while. And then I feel like the problem at the time was the distance. Like we lived close, but we ain't really have much room to film and shit like that. So I moved got long time, I think, say, yeah, man, it's shot, bro. Right, that, bro. Me and mama tell you, dog, stress, bro. Because I'm not saying everybody be faking they shit, bro. But trust me, bro, when y'all niggas see that check, bro, I tell everybody, bro. If it's the bag, bro, go get. I don't knock nobody. I be seeing people, oh, they videos is fake. Woo. I'm like, bro, niggas got bills to pay, bro. A motherfucker would get a quick check and go get some crazy ass apartment and gotta maintain that shit. Like, I'm paying $2,500 for a 1-bedroom, bro. I went toward this shit. The amenities is nice and shit. My move, bro, out. The 5th floor is similar 2 time, bro. The pool even similar, bro. Yeah, dog, I move up. I move November. By March, I'm gone, bro. I'm saying I hear at least the relationship doing this, brother.
Do you think that having so many people, we're going to say people, it's just you guys in the relationship, but so many people as in comments in your relationship, that was a strenuous thing for you guys to deal with? And you guys were so young at that time.
You know, to tell you the truth, it's in me, my dad the kind I used to being known. So I'm stop reading my comments before that. So it's like when me that deal with her, it's like me that kind of train her in that sense. She had a channel and shit, but she wasn't known. Like she wasn't known, you know what I'm saying? So especially the early parts, it's like you got especially the girls, because at the time, like, I'm telling her, be a girl, me that before that, bro. Yeah. They see when that going on, yeah, you don't want to eat that regular, oh, yeah, nigga this and nigga that. So I ever say, yo, like, even before it reached public, I say, yo, I'm telling like, if it do, y'all got a woman out there, when I never yet seen a day in my life, I got to tell her, say, yo. But for me, it never hard, bro. Like, every day, I go with the flow, bro. Like, I never have no expectation. I'm say, yo, if this work, thank God. If it don't, me was the person that I try something, me give my 100. If it don't work, I just move on, bro. When I got there and ball, say, yo, this not me. I just try something. You see me?
Because what I was binging. I've seen you come up a lot of times on my timeline, but I was really binging your videos yesterday. I was watching them, and one thing that I seen, okay, you guys did your videos and stuff, and then you see when you guys broke up and went through the fight and stuff. A lot of people in the comments were actually commending you. They said, you know what, this is brave. They actually respect this. Bro. Came out as a man, bro, and talked about certain things that was going on in your relationship.
Yeah, but then again, bro, I ain't had no choice, bro. Never have a choice, bro. Cause remember, dog, when the thing where it first used to internet, everybody has me as this woman beating, bro. Never had put one upon a woman a day in my life. So it's like, I remember she go live and say, oh, you do Ray. I'm gonna go live and try to defend myself. Brother, before me even say a word, the comments is, I'm like, John. And then me, I think smart again. I say, yo, I can go live for all an hour and just talk and I can convince whoever, whatever the fuck. Or I can just make a video and make money off it. So that I do. And it's like, I do that, like, I wasn't like, yeah, me that, I'm not telling you that. Me that think money, bro.
Yeah.
I'm going to tell you why me that think money. I'm going to drop everything on me that I go for myself for pursue something with she. So it's like, even before, like, leading up to it, I meant to say, yo, I have a feeling this I get fucked one day. So me I say, yo, when this get fucked, me I'm going to start over, bro. So at the time, whenever, bro, I remember that, like, probably like 2 months before that, bro, I was modeling and shit, and I got paid, and they had sent a check, and I think the mailman stole the check. But they wired me the bread, so when they contacted their bank, some mishaps happened, and they tried to revert the wire instead of the check, and it fucked my bank account up. So I was in a hole for a little, I was broke for a little minute, bro. So, and I might hit me and say, yo, man, I need some money to, you know. And then it's like, it prevent me from go live every time I try to explain the same thing. Because if I go live, or if I miss it, when I go live, I get in my ask. So I'm going to say, yo, you say I'm going to just drop a video. If nobody asks, go watch the video. Because my story now, I change. The same thing me I talk about over and over and over and over again. So I'm going to say, yo, man, I just post them video and just ice some load the live. And them time I'm going to just say, yo, man, I take music serious. I'm just that weird, bro.
Yeah, because I seen that's when you really started to drop your music and even your connection. Because there's 2 other people I always see you with.
Yeah.
All right. Armanii and Zidii.
My dog.
All right.
My dog, them.
What was the link? How did you link with the 2 of them? Was that from Jamaica or that was when you came to New York?
That come from TikTok, you know, bro. I'm going to tell you all go on. So, I go to school with Zidane. I never know Zidane. Crazy enough to find out the other day. I probably know Zidane from me all about this. Zidane, my mother and my father meet at the same workplace. Zidane, mother and his father work basically under the same like my mother knows Zidane, mother and father and everything. So I feel like Zidane was one of them look cute. I used to run up on them with them father. But yeah, you see me? So as we get older. But with them, we met through TikTok. Armanii commented on one of my videos and then followed them. At the time, Armanii probably have like 100 followers. Armanii never have the Instagram, bro. One probably have like 100 followers on Instagram. Couple times, probably like 15K on TikTok. And then Zidane probably had like 100 and something. So then from there, we connect on the gram and then we start go live together. And everybody else said, because at the time, we was the only ones on TikTok, bro, that's doing it for Jamaica. Yazim was the only one. So from there, and then my final Armanii leave. I was in Brooklyn at the time. My final Armanii there at MV, Mount Vernon, in New York. So the dog say, yo, I have a studio session. So I say, yo, I have Porter. So my father had a studio session. We nearly get all robbed one night time. Yeah, man, I go buy food one night time and then a dog try off away. But never go, you know. But yeah, so then from then we just connect and then they used to do like little influencers events. Like the Houston YouTubers and vloggers and shit. And then Zidane tell me, say, I go on Orlando, so I say, yo, I'm a portal. And I'm a fly down and then from this, Zidane connect. And then from that, we make a whole group, me, Zidane, Trill, Armanii, and Gal Thief, and then we link up Atlanta. And then from there, so we just, connect.
No, because I seen even again some of your vlogs from in Atlanta. One of my favorite one was one where you were talking about all you guys were in the studio. And there was a couple
with my next manager,
talking about how it was growing up in Jamaica. And listen to me, the craziest part that got me, I said, okay, the condensed milk, I got all of that. That's cool.
Yeah.
I don't remember who said about the quarter bread. When they said, yo, they have to go buy a quarter bread.
And when both had that, if he like joke, bread alive,
it was Armanii that said, yo, and it's thin at the top. He would cut it and it's thin
bread and that's like thick bread. Yeah, when you cook, when you remember, you know, and a slice bread will grow up and, you know, evenly cut, you know, bread. While you have a bread back and you have a local piece and a bread back, you have a cook that in half, you know, and butter that, you know, bro. Yeah, my manager never go to them. Brother, my next manager, brother, them man get pick up for go to school. Them man never take taxi, bus, nothing. Nothing, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, them grow different, man.
No,
I grow privilege.
Dying, bro. It was the quarter bread. The man said, yo, we have to go to the store and go buy quarter bread.
Yeah, man, a sliced bread, them man, they grow up on.
Yo, new technology.
Sliced bread, them man, they say, yeah, man, just stay home and play a game. Me have game in about, brother, outside. Road more and with my friend, brother, go kick ball and them thing, them. They on a game. Yeah.
Crazy. You're talking about even music. One of the first songs I've seen that you really poured yourself into was Find Myself.
No, something like that song.
You don't like that song?
No, brother, I mean that song. Ask anyone of them if that play right now, I walk out.
Why?
Because, I'm going to tell you, when I dropped Find Myself, I wasn't into music at all before that. So I just did that learn. the wordplay cool, great word, isn't it? But I feel like maybe to me I compare which part I didn't know as far as like the improvement I made is like on my ear. I'm like my delivery could have been so much better. But the video was fire, so it's like it's one of them songs where it's like, but I'll never listen to that song.
Yeah.
That park, I'm buried by it.
But that was the one that you really could see that this is where you're really, and what it is finding yourself now after this relationship here.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And we say that, but what a lot of people don't realize is you have to put out that first one to really look back and say, yo, that was trash. I don't like that.
Yeah, I realize that.
It's always nice in your mind, you know, until you do it, you know.
Yeah.
You understand?
But and then I notice, like, what I notice is like, as I drop music or something, like, because I probably have like 400 unreleased songs right now. I probably have like 7 songs out.
Yeah.
When I notice, like, even when unreleased, you be like tune to them and you say, yeah, man, the dog, them say, man, this tough. And a week later, I make all the next 10, 15 songs. I'm saying that song I'm make what they are fooling yourself.
But you have to go through that motion of putting it out or recording it or doing something.
Yeah,
so then you could know that, okay, this isn't right, but I'm getting better.
Because the greatest thing is, see, say, all right, man, I make the improvement, bro. Man, I make improvement rapid, bro.
Yeah.
I record every day, bro.
Yeah.
If my day one, I'm not have nothing for do, I record my voice. All right, me I help on my dog them voice. I was just there, I'll be and I listen to music, I'll go live and I freestyle and I promote thing. Every day, bro.
100%. Another vlog I was watching when you guys were in Jamaica. This is where I really wanted the exclusive now.
Yeah.
You guys were in Jamaica and you guys got pulled over by the cops.
Oh,
You had of course I see that. You had your phone on. He said, "Oh, this is for my protection." Well, you think you're back in the U.S. for your who?
Yo, brother.
Well, so what happened after the camera went off?
When the camera go off, nothing ever. The man they just a premium type of. I means that you like, man, I ain't not the back and forth, bro. It make no sense, bro. Yeah, police at Jamaica feel like they the fucking president. Nigga, like, you still at work, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's like, imagine you pull me over. You know, pull you over for nothing, you know. I one of them night we drive home from our show, bro. Them drive past and just make a U-turn. I'll see them and come on, we just pull over, then pull over. And at the time, me that vlog heavy. I'm gonna feel like at that time I'm gonna vlog all over my yard just because I'm saying that chemo vibe. So boom, me that vlog prior to that, me that vlog the whole night. So my father out, me have my phone on my hand. And it's like the dog feel that type of way. But I feel like the dog feel that type of way because him probably probably slap out. You know, say the ticket cost 16 right now, my father. Brother, I remember I went 4 days ago we get pulled over. We go gas station and we pull out when I'm a dog pink, he never have a seatbelt yet. I put on seatbelt still. And bro, as soon as I pull out, get pulled over. Dog say, yeah man, I write the driver a ticket for that time. My dog got time, I say, Pink, just come see. You see me? My phone is there right there, so. Yeah man, I give you a $6,000 ticket for your phone. They said to me, I say, yeah man, write the ticket. I said, the ticket can't come, so write the ticket. I give him a New York. I don't have a Jamaican license. So I'm give him a New York license. They don't want to write nobody from overseas no ticket, bro. Which system am I putting on them? I go around and write that in a book or something. You see me? So when it comes to pull over, bro, I'm even the bag of chatting. But if you want to write me a ticket, bro, me pay a ticket. But no man not talking for the ticket, bro.
Yeah.
No man not try to use $6,000, bro. That's what, $40, nigga.
Yeah.
I got a ticket in Atlanta for $800, bro, for doing 93 and 60, bro. A $60 ticket, $40 ticket do not faze me at all, bro. I'm a good off for that, bro. But after, when the camera cut off still, nothing ever really go on. The only thing I'm doing, give my driver a ticket because my driver step out and him there chat and my driver just light him split for the dog. I say, oh, you cannot smoke.
Smoking in public. That was what he said. I'm gonna give you a ticket or charge
you for smoking in public. But then what going on was them say, oh, we have to go to the station. The station is right down the road. So follow them, go to the station. They in the parking lot. He want to tell my driver, say, yo, him have 2 days. Because my driver never have him license on him. I guess he forgot it. So I might give my driver a ticket for that. But my driver say, yo, if I'm bringing him license in 2 days, you don't got to worry about it. So my driver just bringing him license. And that was,
you're good.
I eat that after that.
Definitely wanted to know what happened. And because you cut it off right when you and the police were talking. I wanted
Crazy
to know
part is, I ain't cut it off.
Yeah.
Hold your phone in your hand real quick. Bro, lock my shit. So he locked my shit. I'm like, the fuck is you on, bro?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Because we want to talk off the air, boss. You have us on the air. We want to talk off the air.
Off the air for money. Bro, because it was one of them things, bro. If the man them never hostile, bro, we know Jamaica police work. When I say I'm father, all I fight, okay?
Mm-hmm.
We know what money not come for. But the way the man them deal with the man them, bro, is one of them things that's like, John know dog, like, I've got to ride with the ticket, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, straight, bro. And I diss me and then it's, no, bro, you can't diss me and get money out of me, bro. You're mad, impossible, bro.
Definitely.
I don't know this thing need that, but it's like, yo, if you need to deal with the youth them better than that, bro. Because trust me, bro, if you see the clip, bro, and I like say, yo, we get pulled over and we there, ray. We just calm, bro.
Yeah.
So you see the daddy did when I say, all right, hold up, my father. I'ma just reach out to them time that somebody nice, brother, I mean, spend money like fuckery, bro. Mm-hmm. Everywhere I go, I say, yeah, man, if I fire him, then I pay more than this one, spend it. But yeah.
Okay, you're just having a good vibes.
Mm-hmm.
Want to get one more thing about your vlogging before we get back into your music here.
Mm-hmm.
As you said, you were really famous. You did a lot of stuff with the relationship type of vlogging. Those times with the mother of your son.
Mm-hmm.
What would you ever get back into another public relationship, vlogging and stuff like that? And if you did, why yes or why no?
I used to tell myself no because I'm like, what if it happened again? Mm-hmm. I'm not saying the situation highly won't happen again, cause brother, I learn.
Yeah.
Is it one thing about it, bro? I learn. Is it my manager them can tell you, jail nowadays not tolerate nothing in fuckery. Mm-hmm. Yeah man, me and my mom's a man, he look a fucker, man, lift up. Yeah man, I don't have time for that, man. You know, I play around and so. They put the ball game done. Is them so at one point in time I said no. But no, bro. I pause that to my father. If it reach public, just know say me I call it a food or fight. You see me?
Okay, so you're not 100% opposed to it.
Yeah, I'm not 100% against it. I used to say never, but now it's like, nah, it don't matter.
You understand the hustle.
But gotta take time first. Cause with that, it's like me and her we only met probably like twice before we started that channel. Bro, it was fast, bro. It was one of them things where people find out my girl, like a month and a half after first started speaking of. So we didn't really know much about each other.
So you're learning about each other
on the fucking camera, bro. But it was already out there, so it's like, shit, I don't got no choice. But it was one of them things that I'm saying, yo, Father God, just guide this the right way. And fuck your start early, bro. Mm-hmm. I'm early. Fuck your start early.
One of the best thing where you showed your character and all of this was actually saying, okay, we're not together, but you have my son. I'm still gonna co-parent as a parent and be there for my son. You understand? That was one of the best things that you done, bro.
Yeah. Cause one thing, bro, cause I'm telling you, remember the baby show I keep, she posted a photo, everybody started talking about it. In my head, me have said, only for the serious that picture of them, my face, girl. One night time, my mother have to come and say, come here, Jalen, I'm gonna fix your shirt. Mm-hmm. You can't smile. Mm-hmm. But I'm gonna show you the rest of the picture of them. And it was nothing against it, it's just that you see me, the whole of that time, I wasn't speaking to them, we wasn't in contact, no, nothing like that, bro. Mm-hmm. So it was one of them things that we'll speak, regarding to, he wasn't here as yet, if I'm someone wasn't here as yet. So we'll speak, but it was never no nothing. So it's like being around them, and I was only with like my mother, my brother, Thor, my dog, them. I was probably like 6 people. Everybody else was their people. You see me? And the way how they react, I'm like, damn. But I slowly went. So when you get to all I can say, all right, my mother and my father, because remember, you know, dog, no for we especially yard, bro. We parents we not grew up with our parents together, bro. And we see how certain mother we tell us, say, hey, man, your father a craft. Your father this, your father all the time, your father a good youth. So me and made say, yo, especially with how she was going before, in my head, I say, yeah, man, I know fucker, my son, I grew up and I met. I offer there for make sure you know, say, yo, Ray. Yeah, bro, like even with the co-parent, brother, that just start good, bro. Like probably like a month or 2 ago, just start good, bro. Yeah. Fuckery, bro. Me I tell them why I'm not have me youth, I'm get a black one at time, them can't see me, you can't hear from this. Yeah, bro. I'm just there, I'm just hold it, bro. It was a point in time where, bro, she knew she could have used them against me or some shit. So it's like, yo, if more make him vex, I can't see a youth. And then run on the internet and say, oh, he this, he that. All the time, I just there and say, John, where you? So you know, I'm just stop respond. Because I say I'm respond, the media, and at the end of the day, everybody not like, you see me, like, I'm not the type of come on the internet and bash her or nothing, but I feel like the difference between me and she, me see certain things on the internet and come see, she I respond to it. She see I look a comment and just, you see me? So I'm just always play the bigger person, bro. Cause me I say, no matter what, bro, I'm off of it for my youth, bro. Have to, bro.
Yeah.
You see me? I have to play my role as a father, cause at the end of the day, dog, my mother and my father split with me about 3-4, bro. And my father always make sure something good.
So that was something that was instilled in you, that even if
bro.
you're not good with your mother, have to be good.
My half of it for my youth. I one of them, bro. One of the time, bro. I one of them things that where I even speak to her, bro. Anything, I tell my mother, she'll speak to my mom. Like if I pick him up or drop him off, say, "Yo, mommy, Ray, mother, you go pick him up." I'm there in New York for a month straight with him and then Ray. Yeah, bro. I always just make sure say, "Yo, did it for my youth."
100%. Jalen. But your music name is Jetti. Okay? How did you come up with that? Jalen to Jetti, what's up with that?
You know, some friend of mine, I'm take plane like taxi.
Listen, I could agree with you because I would have told you that before the conversation's over. I've seen you on more planes
Bro.
than I've seen you inside of a car.
Bro.
You understand?
Yeah. Bro. What, bro? But funny enough, bro, I'm going to tell you really what going on my phone reach Jetti. I one of them thing where when I first start record, I said, I can't start my thing as Jalen, that too common, bro. My name is a common name. So I remember one time I take up my phone, I'm on TikTok, I scroll, Twitter, I scroll. Every word I see, I put J in at the beginning. I said, I want to keep the J. And then I see in Cetty, Cetty, and I put the J, I'm going to say that song. But I never like the Y, so I put the I. And I'm going to tell my friend them and them say, yo, dog, y'all take playing regular, you know, bro. Are you that? And then I link my jeweler and say, yo, design a piece of chain. And then I say, yeah, man, that look tough, and I'm just run with it from there, so.
Jetti. Right there, because as I said, I know you even recorded, right now, one of your songs that's getting a lot of traction is one with you and Armanii right now.
Yeah, Mafia.
Mafia.
One.
All right.
Dude.
How did you guys come? Plus, I know, watching your vlogs, you have a couple more. You have a couple more songs with Armanii that's not released.
Brother, my mom take me on 400 songs. You see Zidane?
Yeah.
Me and Zidane probably have about 7 songs. You know? Me and Armanii have about what? Probably about 5. And if I link Armanii for a song right now, Armanii a voice. I dog them. But they see Mafia now, Mafia make last year around October, September. I was rapping at first. When I first started making music, I'm rapping, bro. Like in my head, I'm like, I'm straight rapping. Every time I try to make a Jamaican song, never had a connect. But I feel like never had a connect when I dip on the ground for a ear way, the people in my I deal with that yard. I'm in Atlanta, bro.
Yeah.
Every day I'm around K-Camp, I'm around all these rappers, I'm rapping, bro. So one day I'm going to hear the rhythm, I was on YouTube. It's a Party Next Door / Sway Lee type beat. Yeah. And I was high. The beat called Mania, but with Frost, dog, I'm just say Mafia, I'm a fire that. I mean, every time me Frost, I'm there, I'm going to say, man, I'm Mafia. Yeah, well, I need it. I'm going to say, boom, that's hot.
Yeah.
And then my voice it, and then my manager saw me forward, and I said, boom, yeah. And then I link money and say, yo, come downstairs. And the dad them get excited. And then one of them songs there where I had a complete song, but the only thing I kept from the song was the hook, the chorus. I just kept the chorus. And then the song did park, and then me that drop look good. And then around March, I did there in New York, I think, and my manager say, yo, speed up Mafia, and I would try it. And the only thing I had was just the chorus, just the intro and the chorus.
Yeah.
And then we that Money that plan for Slide Money before that, so it was like, I bet, pause. So boom, that happened, and then I posted a snippet, and that shit just went stupid viral, bro. Yeah. Mega viral, bro. And then that happened, and then I was back in New York, you feel me? I was being a father. It was one of them songs where everybody was like, Urban Job. When this shit going viral, I'm in New York with my son, bro. Chilling, bro. Like, I couldn't shoot no video, no nothing, bro. I'm on a strict. I get my son on anywhere between the 28th to the 31st, whatever, dropping him off around the same time to follow him. I'm strictly month to month. And then I finally go back a yard, now I'm reach a yard. Man, he's sick. Can't voice. So we have to wait, and then Yeah, bro, the song get done like literally a couple hours before it drop. And we drop the song a month and a half after it go viral.
Yeah.
And we didn't have no video, we just drop it. And then the video got dropped probably like 2 months after that. So the song was out for probably like a cool 4 months before the visual dropped.
So had a real, the visuals now, gave it like an extension.
Yeah. But by the time the video dropped, bro, I was already trying to.
Yeah.
Is it me? I was just trying to keep it going. I'm like, I'm recording too much. Too much, bro. It's like, imagine I drop one song a month, but I record 30, 40 songs a month, bro.
You're
mad, brother. You're mad, bro. Every time I make up my mind, say, yo, I drop this.
Yeah.
By the time for drop, I say, no. Like, I drop Kickers on Crep here, and I had another song lined up to drop. I find that I'm going to say, the next song, I can't wait, you know, dog.
Because you dropped a lyric video for Kickers and Creps.
Yeah, I dropped a lyric video. I'm about to go shoot a video for that.
Yeah.
I'm really going to push that song, bro. That song is special to me, bro. Like, I feel like I'm do that song late, and it's like, I say, all right, yeah, man, I mean this now. I'm find my son.
You're because I know that you have 3 different sounds. You're either straight dancehall, you're dancehall and trap, or straight trap.
Yeah.
You understand? Where do you feel more comfortable?
Code switching. Code switch wall leap. I don't know if like when I talk, like I just be switching it like that. Code switch wall leaping on my song name. Is them that hear that 18 but trust me, bro. I'm code switch wall leap. So like, but then again, the thing is like, say we just stick to dancehall. It's like when I just stick like my wall leap a party song, but I have some real slow, mellow. I got heartbreak songs. I got love songs. Me have song for the moms, and me have song we can whine to. Me have song we can dog our girl to. I have everything, bro, in every single genre. Code switching, dancehall, rapping.
Yeah.
Like, I be telling people, like, even my dancehall song, bro, like, I be feeling like I'm rapping. It's just a putter, bro. Like, I feel like I got a little swagger to it. It's different.
Yeah.
Is it me, like, so, yeah. But
definitely. You brought up something just now, too. You said your manager said to speed up a song. Why are you guys speeding up these songs right now? What is that trend about?
It's the speed up thing, you know.
Yeah.
You see, when it comes to dance at Jamaica, like the youths them a dance, yeah, man, it have a bung, it have a swing to it. You see, when a song too slow, it slow down the whole thing. You see, when the speed that up, them, yeah, man, me can't dance, you know.
Yeah.
But the youths, them can dance. You see, them say, yeah, the speed up thing, it work. So when we drop now, we just like, when I do it for all songs, like, me have a song, probably I'll drop next, Picture Perfect. Really want to drop that song that fire. It bad, bro. It's just one of them slow, mellow vibe. I don't need that sped up, no nothing. But like when it comes to the more song, them like come say, all right, this is a performance song, it's a party song. Yeah, man, when it speed up, man, not problem, bro.
Yeah.
I let them not know the words in my move, bro.
Because I've seen you guys even speed up your other song on the Big Bouncer, Senseless.
Yeah, Senseless.
Yeah.
Senseless, speed up Senseless because when we post the clip, it was a sped up version. Right? So it's like, what we do is we try a song on TikTok. If it hit, we just run with it.
So you say TikTok is your real base because you have healthy numbers on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. You understand? But it seems like TikTok for you is your main pillar. Where your content really, this is where you really test what's happening with your content.
Well, from the jump, what I noticed was, for example, remember I said I gained like 25K subs on YouTube and I wasn't even posting. What I realized was, what I do was, I use TikTok for build everything. Literally, bro. For blow up on Instagram, just straight up, bro. Unless you a funny nigga that's doing some crazy skits that everybody's sharing, or you're a shorty that's bad as fuck and it's like, whoa, or you a fly ass nigga, bro, or you feel me, you got some shit going, nobody not fucking with your shit, bro. Starting out, bro, niggas is not fucking with that, bro. You have to convince people first, bro. So yeah, I'ma just take TikTok, bro. I'ma say, yo, man, I plug everything else in there, bro. I'ma just use that, plug my music, plug my vlog, I'ma drop a vlog, me post little clips from it, from my thing. I use that for just push it.
The content space, what else is left for you to do? Because your vlog, you're doing music now. What else do you want to venture in the content space?
I'm not gonna lie, bro. It was a point in time I was about to do TV shows, but it was reality. I landed reality, so I was a little iffy about that.
Why? But you remember, you're doing your own reality already with the vlogs, you know.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But when you get, but it's like when they get, you see that Atlanta scene, you know, when it comes to reality, bro. I feel like if I get chopping on, they're stuck, right? So, bro. Is then when I have to find the next moms on the internet. I'm gonna start some content. I like that, bro. I like the drama, bro. So I'm gonna just say, the reality thing, me vlog my own life. Now I'm a videographer, live with me now. So it's like everywhere we're going, footage 24/7. So it's like, man, I start drop vlog often from a third person point of view.
Yeah.
So it's like, I'm not mind recording myself, but I feel like from a third person, cause more while I'm there at a party, I'm gonna go somewhere, I'm just wanna enjoy myself. I don't wanna feel like Jetti, I wanna be Jalen. That's one thing I'm gonna struggle with now.
Yeah.
It's like
the difference between...
Yeah, bro. More want to do things and it's like I can't. Like more want to go places and it's like, no, do this. Like,
you have to second guess it.
Everything.
Is this a good move for my career right now?
Yeah.
As either Jalen or Jetti, because remember, you have both of them going on simultaneously.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
You know what I'm saying? Like everybody around me, Jalen, my mom, Jalen. But Jetti's keeping Jalen around everybody. You know what I'm saying? And that's the one thing me that have even breaking on my mother brain and say, yo, like, alright, we are good.
Yeah.
Yeah, my mother used to text me and say, Jalen, boy, if that music thing and I work, go look at job. I'm saying, Mom, why you think that? She say, oh, yeah, now I post my YouTube, Ray. Oh, you get money. I say, I really think that's the only thing I do. I say, Mom, remember, if one thing not working, I always find a way, Yeah. But my mother know YouTube work. And my mom seen what I was pulling in from YouTube. But I was trying to tell her, I'm like, in all reality, bro, I'm gonna notice, bro, me that drop content consistently, plus doing music. Nobody not take music serious, bro.
It's, that's, especially being in the content space, it's really, once you find something that works, it's hard to get people to believe in something else that you do.
But so I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do now. I'm just say, I lock in the music, I stop post. Like I'm gonna drop a vlog 3 weeks ago. Before that was 7 months, bro. Yeah. And then TikTok, I just started posting my music heavy. I was just on some music shit. You know what I'm saying? I just pushed my TikTok to the artist. And when I first did that, bro, my views dropped crazy. My manager said, yo, just start post regular content and then mix it. I'm saying, yeah, man. I said, the regular content thing now working, bro.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna say, yo, watch your style, yeah. I just tell my videographer, every time he record something, just cut me some vertical clip. Just cut me a recap. I'm gonna just do the recap and throw my song over it, and that's the work.
But then that's how I know you're smart. Because even if you look at your vlogs too, when you started doing music, the whole soundtrack was basically your music.
Yeah, and there's another thing too. You see, before I start music, bro, it was a struggle trying to, like, me put out a B-roll, and it's hard to find a copyright free.
All you ever
no, bro.
Is, yo, turn that down. I don't want copyright.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, bro. No, bro. Like, my drive come here, I'm gonna put out a 30-second clip. I'm gonna just put out a song, I'm gonna know, yo, I'm leaving that job, bro. Leaving for it, bro. I'm my song. That's it, man. I'm my rhythm. I can do whatever. I'm gonna just do that. And then when I feel like when people really start pay attention, we go live together, and it's like we start freestyle the song them, and people start say, yo, that you that bad for real. I start pay attention. So from then, bro, I'm just say, all right, man, I just take the music thing serious. A lot of the comedy thing, the little funny, yeah, that cool. But them a joke on my thing. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Got you 100%. Listen, conversation's been very enlightening.
Yeah.
I like the way how you just let it flow and you're just open with it too. You know what I mean? Because as you said, this is really the real first one that they're getting to see.
Yeah, I ain't never
outside of your zone.
Yeah.
You
and
understand?
I could have went in some crap, bro. I could have spilled some shit, bro. But it's like,
yeah.
It's certain shit that went crazy on the internet and it's buried, bro.
Yeah.
Cause me as you, like, I remember one time, bro, when they put on live, I talked about a girl me used to deal with them in high school. And people, like, remember I one girl, Jan said, oh, why you always talking about it? I'm gonna say, I'm to that girl.
Yeah.
Hey, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, people always try to bring up shit, and I'm the type of nigga, I'm like, bro, I'm so past that shit, bro. Like I'll be talking on shorty, oh, you over your past? I'm like, yo, very, you know. You see me?
But you see, but what we were speaking about, the most important thing, these were things that were public, and you brought them public, even put out video. So I just wanted to get a better understanding that they could understand the real thinking behind the video.
But nah, bro, it was a rough time, bro. Rough, bro. Like, that means I'm got you, bro. I'm some lose weight, bro. Like, yeah, that's booing on my feet, bro. Like, it was rough, bro. Like,
but you got your supporters, bro.
But, bro, I thank my dog them. I thank my supporters them greatly. But some of my dogs them, I'm tell you how they look upon it. even though I was getting like sympathized a lot and a lot of people felt for me and shit, I ain't want to drag it out and keep going on the internet. Like, I was like, I'm not going to go live because every time I go live, it's, oh my God, I feel so bad. Woo.
Your
and
numbers
it's like,
will go crazy.
Yeah, and
but
it's
that's
like,
not what it's about.
Yeah, and it's like, after I'm end my life, it's like, I'm just sad, bro. I'm not talk, I'm not consume no food, I'm not going away. You see my dog then, bro. Money fly come Atlanta, then Zidii them forward down, and then I got my friend Janae, Philly them, Dean and them, everybody, bro. Like, they came around, and was like, yo, I carry go outside. Some them father on. And from then, I feel like that's how I got over it. I'm say, yo, man, I lock in on music. I mean, I just do it with my friend them.
I rate that.
Yeah. So
You understand?
I'm telling my friend them every day, bro. Like, I mean, that it's solid, bro.
Right now, before I get you out of here, we have one last round called Rapid Facts.
Yeah.
I'm going to ask you some quick questions, and you're just going to give me the first answer that comes to mind right away, all right?
Mad.
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's get this on the road.
Yeah.
All right, what's your favorite color?
Blue.
All right, what's your biggest fear?
Losing my son.
Okay. Favorite food?
Seafood, boil.
Are you a cooker or a cleaner?
Both. I cook and clean at the same time. Yeah, I'm gonna like dirty kitchen.
Hennessy or Casamigo?
Casamigo.
Okay. Curry goat or oxtail?
Oxtail.
What's your hidden talent?
Right now, I'm gonna think I'm hidden talent. You know? I used to swim. That's a talent, though. But them know that now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I used to play the drums.
Okay.
Yeah, I used to play the drums. Yeah.
All right.
That's about it.
Favorite movie?
Favorite movie, Expendables.
Water or juice?
I'm gonna start pre-water, but if I'm be honest with you, I juice still. Yeah. I'm honest with you. But I'm start drink water only from water. But before I was just a juice person, I used to eat water. But yeah.
Something sweet or salty?
Salty.
All right.
Yeah.
Last one here. $50,000 US
Yeah.
or dinner with Bob Marley?
Right now, I have a youth, you know. Yeah, man. My youth need some pampers and some formula. Me all have for 50 grand. Don't get it twisted. No disrespect to Bob Marley, you know.
I get you.
Crazy fact is, I modeled for them. Like, they got a clothing line. Yeah, I modeled. That's how I got into modeling, and they plugged me like Nike, Stussy, and everything.
Yeah.
So I fuck with them.
Yeah.
But right now in my life, 50 grand can't carry me. I'm a youth far, my father. Yeah, shoot some music video and run this and run that. Yeah, make sure mommy alright. We're not rich yet.
Practical over fantasy.
Yeah.
Ah.
Cause right now, Bob can give me some great advice still, you know. But remember I said Bob Marley riches and the money, you know, bro. Bob Marley now look at me and say, I hold 50 grand me good. And that's what I tell.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bob, great man. Bob over Mike any day.
Got you.
Any day.
Right now, the floor is yours. Anybody you want to big up, anything you want to say, leave some social contacts some social media handles so they could check you out right across the board. The floor is yours, right?
Boom. All of my social media right now at NYC Jalen. I try to change it though. Like me and my team, I try to come up with a new name. But it's gonna be something revolving Jetti, but NYC Jalen, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Jetti though. Snapchat, NYC Jalen, Twitter. Shout out, shout out to my manager, my team, my dogs, them, all of my friends, them they around me. Everybody where I support me out there, especially from day one. You have people who never leave my side. No matter where I go to, where my name get called, big shout out. Father God himself, my mother, my father, my sister, them. As them, and my son, of course, and father are great. As them, everything I don't know for my son, so yeah. That's so.
Jetti.
Mad.
Maximum respect for sitting down and talking to me today. You understand? You get it. And big up Kiss for actually making this happen. He made a phone call and said, yo, this is what it is. I said, all right, cool. Let's make it happen one time, and here we are.
Hell yeah. We were supposed to come yesterday, and it was like, fuck it. Boy, shit. Hey,
timing was off yesterday, but I said, yo, today, anytime just say the word, and we got it 100%. We made it happen. You understand?
Yeah.
Your fans are going to be happy.
Yeah, you know what's crazy?
To see this one.
The show tonight sold out.
Yeah.
Yeah, my first show in Toronto. I'm the only artist sold out.
Blacklist Sundays. Big up Chip Dan. You know what I mean? And all the team out there. I'm pretty sure that's DJ Gallus and those guys are out there.
Yeah.
Brampton tonight.
Yeah, they've been showing love. They was playing. I went to Luck. They was playing my songs. I know they show love.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie.
I
cut some dub for them, man.
I seen them send out a link for the dub session.
Yeah, man. I cut some.
You see what's going on. You know what I mean?
I'm going to studio last night for cut dub, but it was hella shit going on, but my own equipment. Some say, yo, me just do that.
Yeah.
So yeah, after I'm left, I'm probably gonna cut the dub them. Man.
Yeah.
Nah,
Leave some stuff for the Toronto people, you understand?
Yeah, have to.
Yeah.
Have to, bro. Because I like it out here, bro. It's cool out here, bro. I could see myself coming out here. I called my manager last night. I'm like, yo, bro, like, because we always talking about like moving like different countries and shit for like a cool 4 or 5 months. I'm like, yo, Toronto. He was like 2025.
Yeah.
What you want to do? Because I want to go to UK too for like 4 months.
Just check it out.
Yeah, just to tap in, bro, and get accustomed to it. You know what I'm saying? Grow your shit over there, like, because if you could grow it right there, it's like you're gonna be good, bro.
You're working on the internet. Remember, the internet is global.
Yeah.
So if you do all this work on the internet and then you actually touch down in real life, that's a totally different scenario.
Yeah, because it's like they don't get to see niggas like that often, especially out here. I heard that the whole visa thing be fucking up a lot of motherfuckers.
When it comes to, if you're coming from States, England and stuff like that, that's pretty cool. But when you're coming from Jamaica or other islands, that's when it kind of gets sticky.
Yeah, I might not really worry about it. I'm gonna live by the state, so
Yeah. Good. Jetti,
Mad.
big up yourself, family.
Mad, man.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Muscle, and this has been another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast, The Pull Up, and we are out.
Boy.
Wow.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinesmusichut.com.